Today, you will experience a double premiere. First, we start with a new series. 10 powerful ingredients that will make you stand out with your next presentation. Second, for the first time, I left the studio here to record a live training. A live training that you can now view in 10 episodes, plus an overview that you will see right now. What does our recipe for success look like? What are the 10 ingredients we need for our meal? Let's have a look. Or better, let's start cooking. The first ingredient we need is a smile. This sets the stage for what is about to come. Next comes engage with enthusiasm. Why should anyone else be enthusiastic if you are not? Move with a purpose. Stand still most of the time and move when there's a clear reason to it. Number 4, touch, turn, talk. Talk while facing the audience, not your slides. Finish a thought with a person. Look at a person, finish your thought with this person, move on to the next person. Number 6, create excitement to keep your audience engaged throughout your presentation. Next is connect with stories, because facts only tell, but stories sell. Number 8, be clear on your key message. Stay focused and don't get lost in the jungle of data and information. Less is more. Less is more on everything, from the amount of content on your slides up to the information you want to share in your presentation. And finally, practice your talk. Know what you have to say, what you want to say, so you can focus on your audience and not on your slide or read off your script. These are the 10 ingredients. And as you probably realized, we have two blocks of ingredients. The left block is all about your performance, your body language, your expressions, your onstage performance. The right block is all about your content, your presentation, your slides, your stories.